Alrighty. Finally getting something together here. Find some old shit in here. Might work. Pretty easy. Should probably use a little lubrication. I think I need better lube. Fucked up can of WD-40. That'll do it.
That doesn't sound good.
We're getting there. This is my 6th hole.
Is that all of them?
No.
Oh God, you still have a long ways to go.
That's 6 per side.
Jesus.
This bit might be a bit boogered.
I don't know what that means.
Boogered?
Yeah.
Like messed up?
I'm not calling you dumb. It's too short.
No, it's not.
Why?
It'll have wheels on it. See what I'm saying?
Yep.
Why don't you turn the heater on in here?
There's a heater.
No. There's a fucking kerosene heater that'll make you high as a kite.
Oh, I'm fine with that.
You put it out here. Oh, I got the extensions. I got the extensions and the timber. For a drill? Yeah. Where at? I'll touch your stuff anymore. That's your other one. The red one? Yeah. Ah. Your other son. I don't use it. I got a whole truck full of tools. Oh, these are what I want. Yeah.
Do you have to go all the screws?
I don't have to.
Are you going to?
I mean, I kind of wanted to. I think it's an aesthetic.
Oh, okay. Look at this bad boy. Hell yeah. Oh man, that feels great. You're making me freaking suffer while I'm just standing here doing nothing and you're doing all the work. Of course I'm gonna be miserable.
You can do this. You want to?
Too late, you already started.
I'm only halfway through.
Yeah, that looks great, but he just blew the tires. Yeah, it feels good. It feels real good.
Oh, that was good. Really good. That's as far as we're going to get today because we need some more screws to put this in, and then we'll round it off, and then we'll probably make another shelf here. Don't do it. All right. Hopefully last day. First, we're going to round these edges off. 9 minus 7 1/4 is 1.75. So we need something with a diameter of twice that, which is 3.5. This has a diameter of 3 1/4. That's pretty close. Now, once I have these, you can see this at all. Got those there. Now, come on over here to the saw. Looks kind of like a curve. To ye old fucking grinder. We're gonna smooth out the edges. Looks kind of smooth. See, we got this versus this one. Focus. All right. Let's see what I got going on here. I can't work a fucking camera. Now, I got curves. So it's gonna look good. But to make it cohesive, bring back the flamethrower. Got my edges all burny. Just need to get this in there. This is a good side actually. What I'm hoping for is it just stays in there for me. I'm telling you, it sucks being done. Feels sturdy now after I fucking broke it yesterday. Alright, this side up. Oh yeah. Sheet glove. Now, that's in there. Tighten these. Now, the goal is going to be to make these bitches even. I know what I can use for a level. It ain't much, but it's honest work. But here's that is level. We're almost done. Is my charging battery running to go somewhere? We'll fucking see. It appears all my batteries are defective. We're almost done. We're gonna make it. Oh no. Well, those ones are just for show, I guess. We'll at least hold some load. All right, the goal on this was to make it rustic.
Like, share, and subscribe for more cars, campers, and outdoors.
Glam shot there.